the Hampton Inn on Tunnel Road, and this is a newly remodeled room. The hotel's been completely remodeled, and this room has 2 queen beds. And one thing that's unique about this room, this is a handicap accessible room. So over here by the window, you can actually control the window remotely here with this button. So you just hit the up button, and the window goes up automatically. And then if you want to stop it, so you can stop it. You can put it back down. Yep, and you can also reverse it too without stopping it. Because I just, while it was going down, I hit the up button, and then it reversed. And now that it's up, you can see the view of the parking lot. So, like I said, that's pretty cool. Only other place I've seen this is at the Trump Hotel that I stayed at. So that's a pretty neat feature there. Alright, this is going to be a hotel room tour at the Hampton Inn, Tunnel Road in Asheville, North Carolina. Here's a look down the hallway. This hotel has been renovated since we were here last. And the rooms have also been renovated too, so let's go ahead and go take a look at room 406, which is a standard king room here now. So again, interior corridors. Go ahead and shut the door. So of course, starting out here as always with the security and the evacuation plan, have your hotel fire laws and North Carolina hotel rules. And of course, this is just a very simple hotel with just one corridor, rooms on either side. And for security, you have a peephole with a privacy cover. So that's good to have the privacy cover. And then you have the latch lock and deadbolt. And then you start out here in the bathroom. Like I said, this is a very nice bathroom. They have, like I said, this hotel has been completely remodeled. They used to have green walls here in the bathroom. And looks like a nice shower here. Nice shower head. The commode is a cooler commode. So now I'll go ahead and flush it. Yeah, that's a nice quick flush. Interesting sink here. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi! Nice lights on the mirror. And then you come out here, you have another mirror. And then this is what the rest of the room looks like. So you have a little luggage rack here. Put your luggage. And then over here, you have a Samsung flat screen TV. Nice and big. Plenty of drawers. Yep, so plenty of drawers and storage space here. And then you got your coffee maker and coffee condiments down there. And then in here is the mini fridge with no freezer compartment. Then over here you have a desk area with a nice lamp. And then this is a king study room with sofa bed. So you do have a pull-out couch here. Yep, that is a pull-out couch. So you can sleep additional people in here. interesting telephone here. Oh, I'm not showing it. Yep, there's the stuff. Yeah, and then you have a very nice king-size bed here. So, yeah. Yep, so, and then you got some nice artwork on the wall. And a nice little place to store your bags and stuff right there. And a lamp over there in the corner. So yeah, like I said, they used to have orange walls here in the regular rooms, and then they had green walls in the bathrooms. So this has definitely gotten a complete remodel since my last visit here. But still seems like a pretty nice place. So I think we're gonna enjoy it here tonight. And that will be it. Yep, so this is the elevator at the Hampton Inn, Tunnel Road. And of course I filmed here before, but I hadn't filmed here with Scott.
And this is a special elevator.
Yeah, and you'll see why in a minute.
That's right. We're getting ready to find out. Let's see if mine comes off. Open sesame.
Takes a minute to level.
Yep.
Okay, good, nobody's in it.
We got it.
What does it say right there?
This elevator is dedicated to TJElevatorfan.
Do you know him?
I do believe I know him. He has a YouTube channel. It's an amazing channel. What? How many million hours of viewing time?
Yeah, 21 million views.
21 million views?
Yeah.
Goes around, films hotels and elevators.
Yeah, and this is where the Hamptonality moments all started.
It started here, back in a few years ago.
Yeah, back in 2012.
Yeah. Like I said, this is where you were discovered.
Yeah.
And we're grateful for that and for Hampton Inn and all they've done.
Yeah.
And that's TJ's Elevators.
Yeah. And there it goes. And that's it.